How to download pictures from Pinterest on your computer or laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download pictures on your PC from Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Pinterest. Head over to pinterest.com, and after you're on pinterest.com, you can just log in into your account. After you do that, if you find something that you like and want to download, you can actually just open that picture up. Now you can save it. By saving it, you'll actually pin it and it will be on your profile. Else, if you want to download it, tap on the more button and tap on the three dots right besides the image and tap on download image. Now as you can see, the image will get downloaded and you can open it up in your laptop or PC. So there we go, and that is how you can download images in your computer from Pinterest. And that is basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.